Okay, so let me just add to that video real quick. When you divide 141 by 150, you get 0.94. And the question again is what percent of the total cost? So when our answer here is a decimal 0.94, we have to convert it to a percent. So we know that, like I told you up here, 6% is equal to 0.06. So 94 is just equal to 94%. And we'll talk about that a little bit more so that it makes more sense. So in decimals, we'll start with 50%. So we need to be able to learn how to convert percents to decimals and to fractions. So we'll do 50%. So you know that 50% is half, right? Is half of something. It is equal to 50 over 100, first of all. So that's the fraction. So we have the percent, then we have the fraction, and then we need the decimal. So we know that, maybe isn't this the best way to explain it? Let me write the fraction afterward, because you already understand how to do the fraction. Percent. Anytime we convert a percent to a decimal, we have to go over by 2. So we know that if we go 2 places this way, that's how we can convert. So 50% is equal to 0.5 because we carried it over twice. So if we do another percent, we'll just say, we'll say 2%. We have to carry over by 2. So if we go this way once, it's kind of confusing because, well, there's no other place to go, but actually you just kind of invent it. So you go this way. So 2% is equal to 0.02. If we do another one, let's say we'll do 5%. Again, we have to carry it over 2 places to make a decimal. So we'll carry it over 2 places. We'll go 1, 2, and our 0 is our placeholder. So we just make a 0 there. So we know that 5% is equal to 0.05, the decimal form. Now we'll do another one with 2 digits. So we'll go back to, we'll say 25%. If we convert it to a decimal, we carry over 2 places. 1, 2. So it'll just be 0.25. So I went off into that to explain why in this question, when we did 141 divided by 150, which we found to be 0.94, well, if we convert it back to a fraction, it would be 94% because we would move it 2 decimal places to the right. So let me just take this off. Let me rewrite this, 0.94. So we'll do 0.94. 141 divided by 150 is 0.94. And so if we want it to go, we have it in the decimal form, but we want it to go to the percent form. So we have to move the other way. So we go this way. Go 1, 2. So it would be 94%. So we move to the right when we're going from decimal to percent. And when we go from percent to decimal, we move it to the left 2 places. So that's why 0.94 is equal to 94%, and that's the answer to this question of what percent of the total cost. does she still have to save?